Today I'll be presenting business planning. So inside business planning we have marketing planning. The brand name that I chose was Kewirausahaan. This business employs auto mechanics who provide auto mechanics to customers and businesses. Auto repair shop may also offer services such as custom stereo and alarm installations, windows coloring, and framework upgrades. Inside the marketing planning, we have also STP, which is segmentation, target, and positioning. So segmentation, identifying basis for segmentation, determine important characteristics of each market or auto repair shops segment. Targeting, evaluation potential and commercial attractiveness of each segment. Select line or more segments. Positionings, develop detailed products. Positioning for selected segment. Develop a market mix for each selection segment. And inside the marketing planning, we have also a marketing mix for piece with product, place, price, and promotion. So inside the product, the item of market mix, the overall offering of auto repair service is referred to as the customer's product or solution. Is in all evaluation applied the foundation will ensure a solid foundation from which to achieve long-term success. Every company is different and strengths and weaknesses are determined by a number of factors. The end product of auto repair is the entire service of offering or the customer experience. The way the service is, the report, the benefit provided, the positive attribute and presentation are combined to formulate the final product. So that's a product, and place is one of the most important component of market mix is place. In other words, convenience from the customer's point of view. All other things being equal, this can be the determining factor in whether or not to do business when evaluating and selecting any type of service. Location and convenience are high on the list when choosing a provider. Of course, the physical distance between home or work is a factor that determines convenience, but many businesses today are coming up with innovative ways to make distance relative. In fact, they offer the advantage of turning it into an opportunities and turning these challenges into the competitive advantage. That's place and price. One component of the marketing mix is the customer price or cost. There are many factors to consider when evaluating a service. First, you need to set your price based on what your target market is willing to pay. It should also be great towards achieving desired profitability. Therefore, it is necessary to understand and consider the cost of providing the service. When deciding on a price, you also need to consider the impact on sales value and profit margin, and understand the difference benefit of adopting the right pricing strategy and providing service is a factor in pricing. That's for price. And we have promotion. One of the most important but unfortunately often overlooked aspects of business management is marketing. And developing ambitious marketing mix, despite of call promotion or communication, the effectiveness of the of the marketing message use can be differences between success and failure. Your aids should target your target market and target your goals. Marketing it to a world audience without a clear goal can delay the weaken your campaign. Just as important and delayed in creating a campaign in managing and evaluating the campaign. It is important to make the best possible use of available resources. The, in, the, in, the, in, the internet is taking over people's integrity, turning to the internet is set of products and services. In fact, estimate, estimated 2.14 billion customers worldwide are expected to be doing online research by end of this year, and the number of set to grow in fairness. Here is some advancement in technology. People will new car have countless technology innovation at their disposal. Modern cars offers Wi-Fi, hotspot, driver assistant features, advanced safety and innovation, automatic energy braking, heated seat, automatic defrosting mirror, and many other innovation. While these features are nice options, there are more innovation offered in the car. More things can go wrong. Remember that is electronic car market is also growing. So inside the uh, business planning, we have marketing planning and HR planning also. Inside the HR planning, the product name is same, car repair shop, and there are more than 251 mechanics currently employed, and the CEO and two managing directors and 10 supervisors. So here is the uh, organization structure. We have a dealership owner, dealership principal, and general manager. And below that we have a service manager, parts manager, body ship manager, new vehicle manager, used vehicle manager, and then shop foreman below the service manager, and below the parts manager we have a parts runner. Below the body ship manager we have a partner. Below the new vehicle manager we have office staffs. Below the vehicle manager, used vehicle manager, we have office staffs. Below the office staffs we have a sales people, and below the staff's office we have a sales people also. And below the partner, body or technicians, parts runner, we have a counter person. Below this shop foreman, we have a service technician, and then we have a service advisor. The other part is after the HR planning, we have a production planning. So business plan. These are the business plan places. So the level of population destined around the location, the income of the community around the location. Pay attention to the level of crowds passing by vehicles. choose a business location with a low level of competition. So the operational or operating time hour is 24 hours for the car repair shop. So it's open every day from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. So layout of the business place. So one is manage space effectively. Two, professionalize the waiting room. Three, make yourself a safe space. Four, uh, positioning and equipping your days for maximum productivity. And then we have a raw material. So this is the raw materials or the picture that here are raw materials. We have air conditioning parts, cup holder, glove box, speaker cover, review mirror, and console parts and instrument panel, lamp, front gauge, engine part, control glove box, and rain tray. And that's the raw materials. The product services or product or services produced to customer. Stamping is the beginning of the automatic manufacturing process and including the conveyance of the raw materials received in the form of steel into body parts. Steel metal is the second stage of manufacturing process in which sheet metal and aluminum parts are joined together to form box. The repair, reconstruction of a whole of motor vehicle or parts to fourth, including collision, service, vehicle painting and steam cleaning and commercial car wash. Customer satisfaction leads to improved product quality and associate after-sale service, especially in the context of the automotive industry. Customer satisfaction is not only influenced by the quality of product sold, but also by the quality of the organization customer service. So here is the financial planning. We have a startup cost, and the total of the startup cost is $2,000. Sorry, to $200. It's $200 for the overhead cost. Vary from the shop to shop, but the cost of the starting and auto repair shop can be anywhere between $10,000 and $20,000 per month, while the cost of starting and auto repairs shop vary according to this. General costs include business license, ASE certificates, registration fee, on-time plus, per certificate expenses, L1, L2, L3, Z, which are $78. So insurance is $45 per year. Mechanics, hydraulics, lifts are $47. Diagnostics machines, 5 to 10. Software rental fees, 5 to 15 per month. Mechanic tool sets with specific tools, 15. So total cost is $2,000. So here is a fixed cost items, and here is a variable cost. So items of fixed cost: utility expenses, electricity or water, insurance, loan payment, rent and tax. So these are the cost and variable cost, the items, and then cost. So items, machinery, spare parts, product supply, and variable utilities such as gas, sales commission. So these are the cost of the items. So next, the prototype of business idea, product or service. So here is a prototype of the business brand that I choose from a car repair shop. So here we provide the development and manufacturing of vehicle and system prototype down to small series vehicle with key features such as start by studying the concept, go to the concept car and improve the series project, manufacturer and supply of vehicle integration kits for mechanical and electrical vehicles, develop and manufacture electronics and test benches, integration of continuous component and third party, support at various state of the vehicle from vehicle level requirement management through component level testing to fulfill vehicle verification. So here is the benefits. I have 3 points here, 3 benefits here: high flexibility and high competent competence. Sorry, and last one is high efficiency. So high flexibility is creating idea from a blank sheet or adapting an existing systems, realizing a tricky project on developing co cooperation with the OEMs. We offer all possibilities to achieve the client's goal. And then high competence, minimum effort and time to achieve maximum performance thanks to a wide range of technical knowledge in all fields and disciplines. Uh, High efficiency, close collaboration between development teams, technicians, and workshop structure. And then we have a tool and methods, use of common automotive design and simulation tool and develop of probability proprietary product for specific customer needs, applying of relevant market standard and regulation. Example, ISO 26262 and ISIL requirement. System development from prototype level to a space developed according to needs possible of handcraft manufacturing as well as small series production line. Thank you. That's all from my presentation. Thank you for watching.